Gregor Mendel, a 19th-century monk, is celebrated as the father of genetics. Through his meticulous experiments with pea plants, he unveiled fundamental principles of inheritance. Mendel's work established the concept of dominant and recessive traits. He showed how traits are passed down from parents to offspring through discrete units called genes. Mendel's model provided a foundational framework for understanding heredity. However, as scientists delved deeper into the intricacies of inheritance, they discovered complexities that extended beyond Mendel's original concepts. These extensions of Mendelism demonstrate the fascinating diversity of genetic mechanisms. These discoveries highlight the elegant ways in which genes orchestrate the tapestry of life. These extensions reveal that inheritance is not always as simple as dominant and recessive traits. Instead, genes interact in a variety of ways to shape an organism's characteristics. These interactions result in a spectrum of phenotypes, making each individual unique. The field of genetics continues to evolve, with new discoveries constantly reshaping our understanding of heredity. By exploring the extensions of Mendelism, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate processes that govern life. Imagine crossing a red snapdragon flower with a white one. You might expect all the offspring to be either red or white, reflecting the dominant trait. However, in the case of incomplete dominance, the offspring exhibit a blend of both parental traits. This results in pink flowers, a visual testament to the interplay of genes. Incomplete dominance occurs when neither allele is completely dominant over the other. Instead of one allele masking the expression of the other, both alleles contribute to the phenotype. This blending of traits is like mixing paint, where red and white combine to create pink. Another example of incomplete dominance is human hair type. The allele for curly hair is not completely dominant over the allele for straight hair. When these alleles combine, they often result in wavy hair, a texture that falls between the two extremes. This blending of traits is a reminder that inheritance is not always black and white, but rather a spectrum of possibilities. Incomplete dominance illustrates that the relationship between genotype and phenotype is not always straightforward. The expression of a trait can be a blend of parental characteristics, showcasing the intricate dance of genes. In the world of genetics, some traits are not content with blending. Instead, they demand equal representation, sharing the stage with their allelic counterparts. This phenomenon, known as codominance, results in both alleles being fully expressed in the heterozygote. One striking example of codominance is the ABO blood group system in humans. This system involves three alleles, IA, IB, and I. The IA and IB alleles are codominant, meaning that if an individual inherits both alleles, both A and B antigens will be expressed on their red blood cells. Another example is found in the speckled feathers of certain chickens. Chickens with alleles for both black and white feathers will exhibit a speckled pattern, with both colors clearly visible. This mosaic of traits is a testament to the power of codominance. Codominance challenges the notion that one allele must always dictate the phenotype. Instead, it showcases the ability of alleles to coexist and express their respective traits in harmony. This intricate interplay of genes adds to the remarkable diversity of life. Mendel's work focused on traits determined by two alleles, one inherited from each parent. However, many genes exist in more than two allelic forms, a phenomenon known as multiple allelism. This expands the potential for genetic variation, leading to a greater diversity of phenotypes. The ABO blood group system, in addition to exhibiting codominance, also exemplifies multiple allelism. The three alleles, IA, IB, and I, can combine in various ways, giving rise to four possible blood types, AB, AB, and O. This diversity in blood types highlights the complexity that can arise from multiple alleles. Beyond multiple alleles, some traits are influenced by multiple genes, each contributing to the final phenotype. This is known as polygenic inheritance, and it is responsible for the continuous variation we observe in many human traits. Human height, for instance, is not determined by a single gene, but rather by the combined effects of numerous genes. This results in a wide range of heights, forming a bell-shaped curve within a population. Similarly, skin color is influenced by multiple genes, leading to a spectrum of pigmentation rather than discrete categories.